Are you tired of burning some burgers and undercooking others? If so, you might need a burger press. A burger press actually helps you create burgers that are all the same thickness so that they cook the same on the grill. This burger press adjusts by spinning the dial on the top of the press. Once you get to the desired thickness, you're ready to press your burgers. The press comes with these little white pieces of paper. You need to use them so that you can get your burger in and out of the press easily. The key to this press is actually forming a ball of meat and then pushing it towards the back of the press while you press down. If you push it to the front, as you can see, too much meat comes out and you might have to redo it. It's pretty easy to use and it cleans up nicely, especially if you use the little white pieces of paper that come with it. I think if you run out of these papers, you can probably replace them with wax or parchment paper. But overall, this press works really, really well. You want to give your burger a little press down with your hand before you come down on it with the burger press. But it gives you really great, evenly sized burgers that then cook evenly on the grill.